the PC, which is usually connected to the host computer. The CBD 1000 produces checkbooks with covers of higher weight than the standard check grammage. On the instructions of the PC, the CBD encodes the check in magnetic either E13B code line like this or CMC7 code line. For those countries using optical codes, the CBD prints in optical format. The code line characters are perfectly printed to ISO standard. First the check number following on from the last check in the previous checkbook, then the branch sorting code of the bank, and finally the customer account number. Now the variable text printing, first the bank branch address, then the name of the customer and any other variable information required to comply with local requests, to a total of up to 6 lines. The checkbook is securely stapled before being perfectly bound with imitation cloth tape to produce a really professional appearance. It's loaded with the check blanks. These check blanks are already pre-printed with non-variable information, and the CBD adds all the variable codes and text. Feed station number 1 can hold 1,500 check blanks. Feed station number 2 is loaded with the checkbook covers and, if required, with the order forms. The second feed station holds up to 600 covers and order forms, depending on the weight of the material. Sensors here and here detect if the stock of document is getting low, and sensors here and here detect that the feed station is empty. The feed mechanism is fully adjustable for paper thickness and surface. The design of the paper path is of critical importance, and Rototype previous experience is now demonstrated to the full. As the check enters the paper path, its presence is registered by the document counting sensor. The double document detector confirms single check papers. The check is now encoded. The encoder is of hardened steel front wheel type, no parts to break and long life too. Now the reader checks code line printing for quality and accuracy, reporting this information to the computer. This ensures that each and every check in the block will be clearly read without penalty. Text printing of branch address, check number in plain type, name of customer, etc. is carried out by these 3 24 needles dot matrix printers, 3 lines in letter quality or up to 6 lines in draft quality. Arabic, Cyrillic and other alphabets are also possible. The printers are manually height adjustable. The printing position is software controlled. Once each check is prepared, it is held in the collection station. When a complete checkbook has been assembled, it enters the stitching station for the insertion of 1 staple or, for thick large checkbooks, 2 staples. The stapling unit has the unique capability of stapling tightly from 10 to 50 sheets using the same staple size. The stitched checkbook is now entering in the binding station, which feeds tape from a roll, cuts it to length and applies it under pressure to the end of the checkbook. The completed checkbook emerges from the exit for removal by the operator if in back-office mode, or by the bank's customer if in self-service mode.